How to fix Hamster invite friends link not working. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to fix Hamster invite friends. Link won't copy. So, you might notice that when you click on your Telegram app and you're in Hamster Combat, sometimes when you click on Friends and try to invite friends outside of Telegram, the text isn't copied correctly. So to fix Hamster invite friends link won't copy, first we're going to close the Telegram app completely. Make sure it's not running in the background. Next, open your phone's settings and scroll down to find Apps, Applications, or Application Manager. Depending on your phone, tap on Apps and then click on Manage Apps. From the search bar, search for Telegram. Tap on it to open the app settings. Once you're in the Telegram app settings, go to Storage. Tap on Clear Data. Then tap on Clear Cache. Then tap OK to confirm. This will clear any temporary files that might be causing the issue, without affecting your app data. Now close your settings and reopen the Telegram app. Go back to Hamster Combat, click on Play, and navigate to Friends. Try to copy the invite link again. This time it should be copied correctly. If it's still not working, you can refresh your friends list. Tap on the refresh button, wait a few seconds, and then try copying the invite link again. If you're still having trouble, close the Telegram app again, restart your internet connection, and make sure your Telegram app is updated to the latest version. Then try copying the invite link once more. Another option is to click on Invite a Friend, and instead of copying the link directly, forward it to yourself in saved messages. Now that we have this, you're going to notice that at the top you have the invite link. The rest of the text is just additional information, is highlighted in blue. To get just the link, tap the backspace key. Now you have the standalone link that you can use on any platform. Send it to yourself or save it somewhere. Then, long press on the link and choose Copy at the top. You now have the invite link copied to your clipboard, ready to share with your friends on any platform. And this is how to fix Hamster invite friends. Link won't copy. Remember, if you have any questions about Timekeeper, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.